everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to turn off remix from specific photo on Instagram. So watch this video till the end. Instagram's photo remix feature will let users to use photo post as a starting point for collective Instagram reels or to add their own video comments. Recently started spreading out. But if you do not like remixing on each and every post, you can certainly stop it from happening. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app on your device. Go to your profile by clicking the bottom right icon. Select the post you want to turn off remixing of. Tap on the vertical dots on the upper right corner. Tap on Turn Off Remixing. A pop-up will appear. Tap to turn off to confirm it. So, this is how you can turn off remix for a specific photo on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedbacks. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.